All right, guys, Lefty Loosey. Lefty Loosey is a lot of fun. It's just a bunch of left-handed U-turns. Let's go wide, narrow, narrower, and out. So here we go. Left. All right, here we go. Left-handed U-turns. So familiarize ourselves, going around all the cones. Now we got to cut in to these cones, and then we have to go around this cone. So I'm going to go wider on this part to start. Okay, that's not too bad, because this last U-turn is within 20 feet, which is part of your MSF final test or your DMV test. All right, so 17.35. All right, now that we've familiarized, let's go ahead and do a warm-up for the time. So nice and wide. This is when we practice our strategy. Okay, I didn't need to take that much room. Maybe if I cut it. That wasn't bad. Let's see if that was better time. 12. Oh, much better. 12.98. Let's see if we can get to low 12s or 11. All right, so for time, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hey, we got 11.8. Very nice. All right, so that was the Lefty Loosey. We're going to do the reverse. It's going to be called the righty tighty.